Onpassive is made for anyone who wishes to achieve the outstanding success of e-commerce. With the assistance of Onpassive, you have everything you will need to create your very first career. In fact, Onpassive is being designed with consideration to be super practical and easy to use. The newbie will find this one platform straightforward to begin their journey to success. Also, there are no marketing skills required to use the platform. If you're still struggling and don't know to get those first few dollars online, then this could be the big break you've been waiting for. With Onpassive, you have all the tools you will ever need to start generating income online. Here are a few things you don't have to do once you have Onpassive. You don't have to sell anything, you read that right, you don't have to recruit with this system. All you have to do is purchase a one-time package of your choice, with all the tools, and Onpassive will automatically do all the marketing and selling for you. Most people hate trying to sell stuff. Now you're free of that headache forever. You don't need any technical knowledge. Don't worry if you don't understand HTML, PHP, FTP, website building, hosting, or the rest of the alphabet soup of computer programs. You're new to marketing, you will be ready as soon as you press go. Everything is already working and ready to go online. You don't have to write a single word. Most other marketing systems rely on you writing endless blog posts hoping that you will get traffic to your website or offers. Onpassive use AI, and it's automated. No more long, agonizing hours writing, or spending huge amounts on unreliable marketing systems. It won't cost you an arm and a leg. With Onpassive you get everything you need. You won't have to pay for hosting, domains, writers, traffic, advertising, etc. Take a closer look. Visit the Onpassive blog or check out Onpassive Bill Must YouTube channel where all videos are there to view.